Welcome, geniuses. I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Let's have a discussion on the past year question. Have a look at this question of the year 2015, October-November paper, variance 33. Use the substitution of u equals to 4 minus 3 cos x to find the exact value of this integration. So whenever they mention the word substitution, actually there are just 3 simple steps to do the integration. So let's look at the step 1. For the step 1, what you need to do is actually just to differentiate what is provided. For example, in this case, what is provided is u equals to 4 minus 3 cos x. So what we need to do is just to find out the du dx. Differentiate u with respect to x. So now, first thing we need to differentiate is the number 4. So differentiate 4, you get a 0. Differentiate negative 3 cos x, we should get a 3 sin x. That's our first step. Step 2, what you need to do here is to change the limits. Have a look at this part here. These are the limits for the x. We are supposed to change it into the limits for the u. So what to do here is you just need to sub this x limits into here to get the u's limit. So let's try. When x equals to 0, we just need to substitute into here. So the u should be equals to 4 minus 3 cos 0, which is equals to a 1. Second limit, x equals to pi over 2. So same thing, what you need to do is substitute the pi over 2 into the u. So we'll get u equals to 4 minus 3 cos pi over 2. And hence, you will get a 4. This is the step 2. Step 3, which is the last step, what we need to do here is just to substitute. We need to substitute the limits here, change the x limits into u's limits. We need to change the dx into du, and we need to change all the x terms here into u terms. Alright, so let's start doing it. First, change the limits. So instead of from 0 to pi over 2, we change it to 1 to 4. And then for 9 sine 2x, if you can't change it in terms of u, you just leave it there first. And for the bottom, if you notice, is 4 minus 3 cos x, which is the same as this. So we can replace it with u. So for the bottom part, it's just a square root u. And for the dx here, how to change it in terms of du? It's actually from the step 1. So from the step 1, you just need to rearrange to make dx as the subject. So dx should be equals to du over 3 sine x. And then we just need to substitute the dx into here. And eventually you will get du over 3 sine x here. And now it's time to check. For this integration, I've changed it in terms of u's limits and in terms of du here, and this is also in terms of u, but we still have some x terms here. We got to get rid of this. So in order to substitute the cos x into here, you need to change this according to the double angle formula. So the next step is to change sine 2x into double angle formula. The formula is 2 sine x cos x over square root u times du over sine x, 3 sine x. So now we can simplify it. Sine x and sine x can be cancelled. 3 and the 9 can be simplified. And therefore, we will have 6 cos x over square root u du. So for now, the fraction looks simpler, but it's still in terms of x. We are supposed to change all the x terms into u's. So what to do here, how to get rid of the cos x here? Have a look at this part. We have u equals to 4 minus 3 cos x. So we need to rearrange to get cos x in terms of u. Then it will become cos x equals to 4 minus u over 3. So you just need to substitute this into here to get rid of the cos x. Hence, we will have 6 times 4 minus u over 3 over square root u du, and try to simplify a bit. We will get 8 minus 2u over square root u du. Alright, so now we can start to integrate it as everything is already in terms of u. So to integrate this, you just need to split this fraction into two terms, which is 8 over square root u minus 2 square root u du. And then what to do is, you just need to bring out the u as power negative half, make square root u as u power half. So to integrate this, you just need to apply the AS formula. And then just sub in the limits from 1 to 4. And eventually you will get, sub in the 4, you will get 32 minus 32 over 3, and then you substitute the 1 into both the terms. You will get 16 minus 4 over 3. Therefore, the final answer should be equals to 20 over 3. That's how we solve for this question.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.